Hi viewers, welcome to the University's Gateway. It is a platform where scholars are made. This evening, we want to look at this um, nature of question. Okay, so when you are given this kind of question to evaluate, how do you handle it? For you to be able to handle this, you must understand what the question demands from you. And for you to know what the question demands from you, it's for you to actually look through the question and get to know which of the topics in mathematics is this thing talking about. So looking at this arrangement, you should know that this is pure indices. Okay, now let's get started. How do we go about this? Solution. The only way to get through to this is to make this to have a common base. This is base 16, base 16, base 2. So you can see that they are not common. So you have to make them have the same base. And the only way we can make them have the same base is to convert this base and this base to base 2. So how do we go about that? 2 raised to power what will give us 16? 2 raised to power 4. So this one gives us 2 raised to power 4. That is 16. Mind you, there is power here already. So power will multiply power. That is 0.16. Okay. Coming here times, we are converting this 16 to 2 raised to power 4. Mind you, there is power here already, which is 0.04. And lastly, this one is already in base 2, so we maintain what we have there, which is 2 raised to power 0.2. So at the end of the day, this will further give us 4 times 0.16 will give us 0.64. You can use your calculator and multiply this. It will give you this, or you can use your off head to multiply it. See what I meant? 4 times 0.16, okay? This is 4, 4. This is 4. 4 times 6, 24, right? 4 carry what? 2. Bring the 2 here. 4 times 1, 4 plus the 2, 6. 4 times 0 is 0. Okay, you can see that is 0.64. So now 4 multiplied by 0.04 will give us 4 multiplied by 0.04 will give us 0.16. 0.16. Okay, let's check it out. 0.04 multiplied by 4. 4 times 4, that is 16. Right, 6 carry 1. 4 times 0, 0 plus that 1, 1. 4 times 0, 0. That is 0.16. Okay? Then multiply by 2 raised to the power 0.2. Mind you, in the laws of indices, the first law of indices talks about multiplication law. Mind you, what is governing this? The mathematical notation that is ruling this now is what? Times, that is multiplication. So, and in multiplication law of indices, we say that if your bases are the same, what do you do to the powers? You add the powers. Just pick one of the bases and then add the powers together. So you can see the bases are the same, 2, 2, 2. So I pick one of the bases. What do I do to the powers? I add the powers up. That is 0.64 plus 0.16 plus what? 0.2. Now, if you add up everything here, it will give you 1. That is 2 raised to power 1 is the answer. If you add up this, that is 2 raised to power 1. Okay, let's do that. 0.64 plus 0.16 plus 0.2. Okay, add up. 4 plus 6, that is 10. Right, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Right, 0 carry 1, that is 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1, that is 1. So that is why we're having 2 raised to power 1. So that 2 raised to power 1 is something as 2. So that is the answer. I want to believe the explanation is explanatory enough. Keep talking about universities gateway, the only academic platform that grooms students of tertiary learning across the globe. It is here that we raise both local and international scholars. See you about same time next week till we meet again. Bye.